Tip number 1. Have breakfast. We sometimes have the annoying habit of skipping the breakfast step, and yet, it is one of the most important meals. Why? Eating your breakfast will reduce your urge to snack. In addition, many studies have shown that eating a lot at the first meal of the day reduces weight gain. Tip number 2. Eat spicy. When we eat spicy, we are forced to slow down the time to let our taste buds rest for a few seconds. This promotes the feeling of satiety that we will have less quickly if we eat too quickly. Tip number 3. Eat on a smaller plate. When it comes to eating less, researchers have long known that a simple way to cut calories is to use a smaller plate. In one experiment, a shift from 12 inches plates to 10 inches plates resulted in 22% decrease in calories. Assuming the average dinner is 800 calories, this simple change would result in an estimated weight loss of more than 10 pounds over the course of 1 year. Tip number 4. Eat slowly. To eat slowly, you need to chew your food thoroughly before swallowing. This can help you reduce calorie intake and lose weight. Tip number 5. Walk as much as possible. Walking is a great form of exercise not only to build strong legs and promote healthy joints, but also to burn calories. The number of calories you burn varies based on factors, including your weight and the pace at which you walk. For example, a 140-pound person burns about 110 calories while walking at a moderate pace for 30 minutes. Tip number 6. Walk before eating. More research has found that walking helps speed up the time it takes food to move from the stomach into the small intestines. This could help improve satiety after eating. There is also evidence that links this type of faster digestion with lower rates of heartburn and other reflux symptoms. Tip number 7. Prefer a fruit to its juice. For you, it is a question of calories, but know that eating a whole fruit is equivalent to the same number of calories as in a small bottle of juice. You might as well eat a piece of fruit. So, these are the 7 tips to lose weight easily. If some of these tips are useful for you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming video doses. Thank you so much.